Hello everyone, welcome to you in yours and my channel You and Me Motive Me. How are you? Hope so all of you are healthy and happy. Today we know some fact regarding ego. Somebody says that ego and attitude is same, but no, both are major difference. Ego is the exhaust gas oxygen. Another way we can say that everything get over, says ego. Ego is just a small three words which can destroy a big words relationship. Attitude is like a continent, like a Mahasagar, Mahadweep, and ego is like a city, like a gutter. Attitude says, I am king, but ego always says, all are myself and no one above me. So both are having very different meanings. Attitude make you totally different from others, whereas ego make you alone from others. Ego is how you feel about yourself, while attitude is how you physically manifest these thoughts and feelings. Ego is just like a dust in the eyes. Without clearing the dust, you can't see anything clear. So clear the ego and see the world. The, the ego word against us is when it pushes us into fear and scarcity. Attitude has no mirror image. Ego is a mirror image of soul and hence leads human perceptions in the world of duality. Now I want to tell a one story in front of you. A man who was not having money with him had gone to city from his village and want to be a successful man because he had lived in such a dream from his childhood. He was in a train and train departed. He was thinking and dreaming big that he would be a superstar of country, and he was not only thinking and dreaming but also he had a perfect plan to execute because he was sharp minded. Train traveled in a station of the city which was his dream city. He came out of train and saw a man who was a very poor. He wanted to help that poor man, but he was unable to help him and said some words to that poor man that I will give you money at a time and I will come soon to you. He went, but he didn't know where to start, and for 3 times he got cheated by some thieves. He was very depressed and had no hope to do anything. Then he had another plan coming to his mind. Why not get a religious life and have a guru to him? Then he got Guru, which was really a very known Guru. He went to there to seek blessings from the Guru. Guru gave him challenging advices. If you want to believe there, here, then you have to do some social work and to all people help with a mantra. I am giving you, and a distance away from ego. He took his advice and started his work, and that worked because of blessing of God and Guru. A time came when he was successful person of the country. He went to temple where that poor man was standing, but he ignored that poor man, and after prayer he went out of that temple. That poor man called him. You promised me that you will be give me money when you will be successful. But he ignored him, and time came that when that successful man had lost all his success and money, and then he remembered his Guru word to keep distance from ego, but it was his ego that got him into trouble. He then said sorry to that his Guru and to God. After some time, he got all money back and success also. He searched for that poor man and found him. He told that poor man, I am giving you money to start business and giving you all type of advice to start, and I am taking you to my Guru place from where I got success, and you can also got success. Then a time came when they both were successful and had blessing of God and Guru, and they kept distance from ego. So, summary of the story is that if you want to become a big achiever, then you will always stay away from ego. Ego will destroy you and your ambitions also. Ego says, I am everything. Social scientists often focus on attitude by looking simply at how good or bad the pupils feel. Ego means that extent to which one thinks of oneself. So you have practicing forgetting and letting go, practicing honesty and being open. Surrender your needs for control. Enjoy silent moment with yourself. So practice gratitude and increase your knowledge and decrease your ego. Thanks for watching.